How to use social media to improve your English. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to improve your English but find textbooks boring, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to turn your favorite social media apps, like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, into powerful tools for learning English. Tip 1. Follow English language pages. One of the easiest ways to learn through social media is to follow English learning pages. Search hashtags like hashtag learn English, hashtag English tips, or hashtag word of the day and start following pages that post content in your learning style. Tip 2. Change your language settings. Another simple but powerful tip is to change your phone or app settings to English. Tip 3. Watch Reels, Shorts, and Stories with subtitles. Short-form videos like Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok are fantastic for improving your listening skills. Tip 4. Comment in English. Want to practice writing? Start commenting in English. When you watch videos, scroll through posts, or read captions on social media, take a moment to write a comment in English. This is a great way to practice real-world sentence structure, apply new vocabulary, and build your confidence in expressing yourself. Tip 5. Create content in English. If you're ready to take it to the next level, try creating your own content in English. Creating content is a bold and powerful way to improve your English. It forces you to organize your thoughts in English. It builds your pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary all at once. You get used to thinking and communicating in English, which boosts fluency. There are also English learning challenges online, like 30-day speaking challenges or word of the day posts. So remember, social media doesn't have to be a distraction, it can be a learning tool. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling!